guys, for today we're gonna play Sniper Duel. Warning, this game has higher volume. You may lower the volume of your computer, PC, cell phones, any gadget. I don't know, I'm lagging maybe. I'm lagging. Ah my god, bro, my eye. Well, I got a flashbang. Wait, let's see. So, for today, we are gonna do. Oh yes, sweet. This. Oh, so this is like rivals, a bit like Sniper Rivals, but it's the different one. If you wanna slide, press C. Nah, bro, my friend is saying that I got hot. Nah, I'm just joking. Come on, bro. Oh, wait, what? Yo! Come on, boy. Come on, boy. One bullet. Ala. I'm out of bullet. Wait. So close of winning. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. How he always die? Oh, I knew it. Oh, no, I forgot how to crawl. It's like me. I don't know. It's like okay. Oh my god. Yeah, baby. Come on, bro. Oh my god, I'm losing, bro. I lost, bro. I don't know what to say. Okay. I know. Click. Come on, let's go. Seriously? Bruh. Are you serious? Oh, click. Oh yeah, I know. I'm a pro. Oh, great. Are you serious? Why not 3v3 something? I'm lagging, bro. Seriously? Seriously, bro? Okay, let's play Fluffy Bird na. You know, yeah! Let's go. Oh no. I'm cool. Ang gating ko. Oh, my favorite! Oh, that was a good one, but it missed. Cannot believe that I fall. Come on, come on. Come on, oh my god. Yun, I'm just racing sometimes. Nowhere is even him, bro. Why can I jump that high, bro? Bro, I played this game. Bro. Bro. Oh, I know. Oh my god. I'm losing! Never mind. Are you serious? Man, this can't be happening. Again, I hate falling, bro. He doesn't know where I am. I don't know now. Where is he? Now, bro, tell me where is he, bro? Are you serious? Seriously? Oh my. Whoa! Are you. What? How did they. I'm cooked. Hello. I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked. Man. Oh, great. I lag again. As a lagger game, I know where to do. So basically, first you went here, feel laggy. Hide the bit of. Oh, yeah, sweet. I don't know why I lag that much. Not again, bro. Oh! As a lifer. What? Yo! There's ain't no way he's hacking. There's no way. Nah, bro. I cut on camera also. Oh my god! If I lost, I'm gonna rage so bad. Are you serious, bro? Seriously? Man, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. I know how to play this game. I win a lot. Fluffy. Yeah. Oh my! Oh, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you like it. Please like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to. Bye.